Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 737 that left Bole International Airport in the Ethiopian capital and en route to Nairobi, Kenya crashes near Bishoftu, southeast of Addis Ababa after it lost contact at 08:38 am local time, just 6 minutes after its takeoff. The flight ET-302 consists of 32 different nationalities. Partial list includes 32 Kenyans, 18 Canadians, 9 Ethiopians, 8 Americans, 8 Italians, 7 UK nationals and 8 Chinese passengers, 6 Egypt, 5 Netherlands, 4 UN passport, 4 Indians, 3 Russians, 2 Moroccan, 2 Israeli, 1 Belgian, 1 Ugandan, 1 Yemeni, 1 Sudanese, 1 Togo, 1 Mozambican, 1 Norwegian. The airline already confirmed that there are no survivors in this tragic accident.